Hey guys, in this video, we're going to be talking about how to use Home Depot gift card and redeem it online. So let's just get straight into the video, shall we? So first things first, simply go ahead and open your Home Depot application and simply go ahead and add something to your cart. So for example, let's just go ahead and add this right over here. All right, I'm just going to go ahead and add that to cart. And now I'm just going to simply go ahead and head to the cart. And now when checking out, all you need to do is simply go ahead and click on checkout and enter your gift card on the section that says gift card on the bottom. Also, go ahead and make sure you are logged in. Once you simply go ahead and enter, apply a gift card section and then enter your PIN found on the back of your gift card and apply the balance, it will simply go ahead and use that. I hope this video clarifies everything for you. If you have further more queries, feel free to comment down below and I'll see you on the next one.